Have you ever wondered if the secret to better health isn't hidden in expensive pharmaceuticals, but growing right outside your door? Imagine having a personal pharmacy, handmade, natural, and incredibly powerful, right at your fingertips. Today, we're diving deep into Forgotten Home Apothecary by Dr. Nicole Apelian, a must-read for anyone who's ready to reclaim their health using nature's own remedies. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your backyard or your pantry the same way again. Introduction. Forgotten Home Apothecary is a beautifully crafted guide by Dr. Nicole Apelian, a biologist, herbalist, and survival skills expert most famous for her appearance on the TV series Alone. This book is a treasure trove of forgotten knowledge, natural remedies, healing salves, tinctures, teas, and more, passed down through generations, but sadly fading from modern memory. Dr. Apelian's mission? To empower you to take control of your health using simple, practical, time-tested natural solutions, without needing a pharmaceutical degree or a fancy lab. If you've ever wanted to stock your home with powerful, natural alternatives to over-the-counter meds, this book is your blueprint. Let's break down the key ideas you absolutely need to know. 1. The power of a personal apothecary. Dr. Apelian starts by challenging the idea that modern medicine is the only answer. In fact, she points out that for thousands of years, humans relied on herbs, roots, and homemade remedies for healing. And many of these solutions are not just effective. They're often gentler on the body than synthetic drugs. Creating your own apothecary is about self-reliance. It's about reconnecting with the natural world and realizing you already have access to incredible healing tools. You just need to learn how to use them. She encourages everyone to start small. Pick 5 herbs to focus on. Learn their uses deeply. Make your first remedies like infused oils or healing teas. Simple, manageable, life-changing. 2. Top medicinal plants you need to know. Dr. Apelian shares a list of must-have plants that she believes every home apothecary should include. Here are a few highlights. Calendula. Fantastic for wound healing, skin rashes, and inflammation. It's gentle enough for babies, but powerful enough to fight infections. Plantain, not the banana. A common backyard weed that's a miracle for insect bites, rashes, and skin irritation. Elderberry, an immune-boosting powerhouse, especially for colds and flu. Yarrow, great for stopping bleeding, reducing fevers, and promoting wound healing. Echinacea, famous for enhancing immune response and helping with respiratory infections. You don't need 100 different herbs, just a core few that cover most common health issues. 3. Building your herbal medicine cabinet. Forget cluttered medicine cabinets full of half-used bottles and expired pills. Dr. Apelian explains how to build a minimalist yet powerful herbal toolkit, including tinctures, concentrated herbal extracts you can easily carry and use anytime. Salves, healing balms for skin irritations, wounds, and infections. Teas and infusions, gentle but powerful daily health boosters. Syrups, delicious remedies, especially useful for kids. Poultices, fresh herb applications for drawing out infections or reducing swelling. Each preparation method is easy to learn, requires minimal equipment, and offers big returns in wellness. 4. Recipes straight from nature. This book is packed with recipes you can actually make at home without needing a PhD in chemistry. Some examples. Healing calendula salve, perfect for burns, cuts, and dry skin. Elderberry syrup, boost your immune system and fight off seasonal colds. Plantain poultice, instant relief for bee stings or poison ivy. Stress relief tea blend, chamomile, lemon balm, and lavender to melt away anxiety. Each recipe comes with simple, step-by-step instructions and tips for sourcing quality herbs. Whether you forage, grow them yourself, or buy from trusted suppliers. 5. Mindful foraging and sustainable harvesting. A huge part of building your own apothecary is understanding where your medicine comes from. Dr. Apelian stresses responsible foraging. Only take what you need. Harvest sustainably so plants can regenerate. Learn to identify plants correctly. Mistakes can be dangerous. Always give thanks to the land for its gifts. This mindset isn't just about health. It's about respecting and protecting the natural world that supports us. 6. Herbs for everyday ailments. Rather than running to the drugstore for every little sniffle, scrape, or headache, Dr. Apelian teaches how herbs can become your first line of defense. Some everyday remedies include peppermint, natural headache relief and digestion support; chamomile, sleep aid and stress soother; lavender, antiseptic, calming, and pain relieving; ginger, a champion for nausea, colds, and boosting circulation. Having these herbs on hand and knowing how to use them makes everyday healthcare simpler, cheaper, and more natural. 7. The emotional side of herbal healing. Break time equals 0. 5s/. One of the beautiful things about this book is that it's not just about the body, it's about the mind and soul too. Dr. Apelian reminds us that the act of making remedies with your own hands can be deeply healing in itself. It's meditative, empowering, and it reconnects us with traditions that our ancestors knew well. Healing isn't just about taking a pill and moving on. It's about caring for ourselves holistically, mind, body, and spirit. 8. Preparing for emergencies with herbs. Dr. Apelian also touches on emergency preparedness, how your home apothecary can serve you during crises. Think power outages, natural disasters, or even just being stuck at home during a pandemic. Having natural remedies on hand gives you an incredible advantage. Key emergency herbs she recommends keeping stocked: yarrow for cuts and fevers, echinacea for infections, valerian root for anxiety and sleep disorders, arnica for pain and bruising. Natural first aid kits aren't just nice to have. They can literally be lifesavers. 9. Why modern medicine and herbal medicine can coexist. Dr. Apelian makes it clear this isn't about rejecting modern medicine. It's about adding another layer of resilience to your life. Knowing how to treat a cut, soothe a cough, or boost immunity naturally doesn't mean you'll never need a doctor. It means you're better equipped to manage everyday health issues on your own. It's empowerment, not extremism. 10. Getting started. Your first home apothecary steps. Feeling inspired but overwhelmed? Dr. Apelian makes starting simple. Choose 5 starter herbs like calendula, elderberry, peppermint, yarrow, and lavender. Learn how to make a tea, a tincture, and a salve. Begin using your remedies for small, everyday issues like colds, cuts, and stress. Grow or source quality herbs ethically. Keep notes on what works for you. It's all about learning through experience. Conclusion. So, what if true wellness isn't hidden behind a pharmacy counter, but rooted in the soil beneath our feet? Forgotten Home Apothecary is a loving reminder that the healing power of nature is not lost. It's just waiting for us to remember. Dr. Nicole Apelian gives us the tools, recipes, and wisdom to bring natural healing back into our homes and into our lives. If you're ready to reclaim your health, connect with nature, and build a healing toolkit you can truly trust, this book is a must-read. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to subscribe to AudioBookCAPS for more inspiring book breakdowns. Have you tried herbal remedies before? Comment below and share your experiences. We'd love to hear. And if you're feeling inspired, why not start your first remedy today? Your future self will thank you. Thanks for listening, and until next time, stay curious, stay empowered, and keep learning.